getting you updates so far on the top TMC netas and other netas as concerned who were arrested by the CBI yesterday. Now, two of them have now been admitted to a hospital this morning. We are talking about Shobhan Chatterjee and also Madan Mitra there. Vasaka is joining us live to give us more details. Can you tell us now what has been the situation? Because earlier that was pointed out, Madan Mitra himself was recovering from COVID-19, but those two leaders for now that have been admitted at the SSKM hospital there.
Yes, Amita, now we can see that we are in front of the Woodburn block where Madan Mitra and Shobhan Chatterjee both are being treated in the 103 cabin number 103. There is Madan Mitra who is being treated, and Shobhan Chatterjee is just there to the adjacent cabin. He is being treated in the adjacent cabin, Shobhan Chatterjee. But Subrata Mukherjee, the state minister, he was taken to this SSKM hospital earlier, but he was not treated here. He is, as reported, he is being treated in the jail hospital, in the Presidency Correctional Home Hospital right now. But as we can get some updates from his health, as mentally and physically he is not well as well. So he may be shifted to a different hospital. But the thing is, now what we are getting from this hospital, SSKM Woodburn block, where Madan Mitra and Shobhan Chatterjee both are being treated, the current updates that we are having is that they are on sedatives right now, and doctors who are actually trying to soothe their nerves because they had a very hectic day and night yesterday, and then when they were rejected their bails and they had a stay by the Kolkata High Court, that's when actually they had a setback, and to get their nerves steady and soothed, they wanted to give them a sound sleep. That is being advised by the doctors. As it is the medical update from these four leaders, Bobby Hakim, Firhad Hakim is still in the Presidency Correctional Home, and Subrata Mukherjee as well is in the Presidency Correctional Home Hospital. So both of the ministers are in the hospital and in Presidency Correctional Home, and the other two leaders are in this Woodburn block. They are being treated in this hospital as an SSKM hospital.
All right, thanks very much for getting us the live update. We also joined from the digital desk in Mumbai newsroom. Akhil is joining us at this point. Akhil, now very interesting developments that have been political developments that we have been witnessing since yesterday. Of course, the celebrations on part of the TMC were short-lived as the Calcutta High Court intervened.
Yeah, so in a very interesting development, the Calcutta High Court came down heavily on Mamata Banerjee and her group of supporters. So basically, I'll sum up some of the key observations of the case. So one of the first ones is that there was this propaganda which was being spread that the case is like BJP vendetta, but it is not so, as the court has clearly pointed out that this case, that the Narada case, was registered on the directions issued by the Calcutta High Court. Then the second thing was that whether Governor Jagdeep Dhankar is the competent authority to issue prosecution sanction. And the court again has held him as the competent authority in this regard. Another very key observation is that not just Mamata Banerjee, who staged a dharna outside the CBI office, but the law minister himself was present in the special CBI court when the proceedings were on. So, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, he contended that there was an effort to impose pressure on the authorities. And finally, when staying the bail order, the court observed that public trust and confidence in the judicial system is more important, it being the last resort. And also, they may have a feeling that it is not the rule of law which prevails, but it is a mob which has an upper hand, and especially in a case where it is led by the Chief Minister of the state in the office of CBI and by the Law Minister of the state in the court complex. Right. If the parties to a litigation believe in rule of law, such a system is not followed. So this is a big blow as far as perception to the TMC government is concerned. And now, as we have noted that after the bail order, was stayed, these leaders were taken to the Presidency jail, and early in the morning, two of these leaders, that is Shobhan Chatterjee and Madan Mitra, they were moved to a hospital for treatment. Back to the studio.